I'm Sohee and welcome back to Inssa Korea, where you can learn Korean with Korean dramas. And the drama that we are going to discuss for today is Doctor Slump. It is a drama that revolves around two medical professionals, namely Jeong-woo and Ha-neul. They were once high school rivals, but fate reunites them years later when they both faced major slump in their professional career. Here's how we're going to learn Korean. First, listen to the clips without reading the subtitles. Second, listen to the clips again while reading the subtitles. Third, learn Korean vocabulary and grammar structures together. Last, you can go back to the clips, rewatch them, to see if you fully understand them. Let's listen to the first clip where Jeong-woo talks about why he hates Ha-neul so much.
자, 지금부터 내가 Ha-neul을 왜 그렇게 극혐하게 되었는지 썰푼다.
자, 지금부터 내가 왜 Ha-neul을 그렇게 극혐하게 되었는지 썰푼다. 지금, now, 극혐하다, to hate. 썰푼다. 썰 is kind of like a story. 푼다 comes from the verb 풀다, which means to unravel. So 썰푼다 means to unravel a story.
타고난 공부 대가리로 전교 1등, 지역 1등, 전국 1등까지 해버린 나. 여정우.
타고난 공부 대가리로 전교 1등, 지역 1등, 전국 1등까지 해버린 나. 여정우. 타고난 comes from 타고나다, to be born with. 공부, study. 대가리 is kind of like an informal slang for head. 전교, the whole school. 지역, region. 전국, the whole country. 1등, the first place.
영원히 꽃길만 걸을 줄 알았다.
영원히 꽃길만 걸을 줄 알았다. 영원히, forever. 꽃길, 꽃 is flower. 길 is a road. So here it means like a road without a lot of like challenges. It's a very smooth path. 걷다, to walk.
그러다 날
그러다 어느 날
혜성처럼 나타난 도라이 Ha-neul.
그러다 then 어느 날 one day 혜성 a comet. 나타난 is from 나타나다, to appear. 도라이 a crazy person. 혜성처럼 나타난 도라이 Ha-neul. In this sentence, the grammar now plus 처럼 is used, and this is used to indicate similarity or comparison. It can be translated as like or as in English. Our sample sentence, 혜성처럼 나타난 도라이, a crazy person that appeared out of nowhere like a comet. So 혜성, the noun put in front of 처럼. Another example, 애기처럼 웃어요. Smile like a baby. 웃어요 means smile and baby is 애기. In the second scene, Jeong-woo talks about how crazy Ha-neul is with her studying.
한 문제라도 더 풀기 위해 뛰어다니고
한 문제라도 풀기 위해 뛰어다니고. 문제, a question. 풀다 can also means to solve. 뛰어다니다, to run around.
화장실 갈 시간을 아끼기 위해
화장실 갈 시간을 아끼기 위해. 화장실, washroom. 시간, time. 아끼다, to save.
커피를 물에 타 먹지도 않던
커피를 물에 타 먹지도 않던. 커피, coffee. 물, water. 물에 타다 is to water down.
공부에 미쳐있던 아이.
공부에 미쳐있던 아이. 미쳐있다. To be crazy about, obsessed about. 아이, a kid. In this scene, the grammar structure verb plus 기위해 was being used twice to indicate the purpose or an intent. It can be translated as in order to or for the purpose of in English. 한 문제라도 풀기 위해 뛰어다녀요. Here the verb is to solve, 풀다. We use the base form of it and take out the 따. We add 기 위해 to show that it's the purpose of why she runs around. Another example from the scene. 화장실 갈 시간을 아끼기 위해 커피를 물에 타 먹지도 않아요. So here the verb is 아끼다, to save. So 아끼기 위해, to save time. So the purpose of her eating instant coffee without watering it down is because she didn't want to go to the bathroom and she wanted to save time. So that is her purpose. In the last scene, Jeong-woo talks about how his views of Nam Ha-neul has changed.
사람 보는 눈도 있고.
사람을 보는 눈도 있고. 사람을 보는 눈이 있다 is to have an eye for something.
이제는 의리도 생겼고.
이제는 의리도 생겼고. 이제 is also now. 의리 is a noun form of loyalty.
귀여운 구석도 있고.
귀여운 구석도 있고. 귀여운 is from 귀엽다, to be cute. 구석 can mean corner or like a side to a person. If you'd like to revise for the things we've learned so far, you can download the note PDF for this lesson with the link in the description box below. If you like this type of video, do like and subscribe to the channel, and there are more similar videos just for you.